Hi guys, welcome to another or new problem of the Blink camera. It's not the Blink XT2, it's the old Blink XT, the outside camera. It's going crazy. Usually what you hear is, I think, the sound of the shutter, so it tries to make a picture constantly. I had the situation when you look at the pictures, you can see it was taking a picture every couple of seconds. Yeah, we were like standing around, a group of people were standing in front of the camera. I didn't realize that, so it was recording and recording and recording, so for almost an hour or something like that. So it was probably too much for the camera. When we look at the latest status information, it says battery is okay, but I think it has changed. I can't do anything because when I want to update here, I say update, so I'm trying to get it out of this strange situation. It just says camera is busy. I have already been taking out the batteries and reinserted them into the camera. Didn't help. So I think what happened, because of so much recording, the battery level went too low. It still says okay, but it is actually too low. I'm checking on that, and I will replace the battery and try if that works. So I had already a similar experience with the Blink XT a couple of months ago when I had it on the infrared on, and here I had I had the infrared control on, and I was using Alkaline instead of lithium batteries. But with the Alkaline, it is like, yeah, it has huge troubles with the infrared. So either you have to use lithium or you have to disable the infrared if you're using Alkaline and want to save some money on the batteries. So I think it is the battery, so I check on that now. So this gives me actually a good reading, and the second one maybe as well. Yeah, actually, I mean, it has like a loose contact, but it says actually it's good. That's surprising, but I still will try. So after inserting new alkaline battery, so I have just cheap one HDX cheap thing from Home Depot. I think this silly sound has stopped, and I'm trying to make a picture now. So yeah, this is how it looks like now. Of course, I'm in front of the camera and it is recordings, but I have made a test shot with this new alarm clock, and you can see it has been recording the picture, so it looks like everything is fine. Again, the camera is not broken, so yeah, it looks like in most of the cases, if you have a problem with the Blink XT, I mean, apart from communication issues, usually it's just a low battery, especially when it comes to alkaline batteries. It looks like the camera is super sensitive, so it doesn't have to be really low on the battery level, the voltage. Even if the voltage is still in the green range, doesn't mean it's working with the Blink XT. Blink XT has really high requirements regarding battery. Either you are using the lithium batteries or really good alkaline batteries. But I'm still going with the alkaline batteries. I can save a lot of money, especially at the entrance where I have a lot of recordings, but every now and then I will have to deal with some issues and I have to turn off the infrared, but I'm good since I have a good light at the entrance with the solar light, which I've been placing, the solar flood light. And yeah, I've been showing this on my channel as well if you're interested into that. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or different experience, would be really interesting to learn from you or get any questions or whatsoever. If you have anything, write down to the feedback area down below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.